Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing the LeetCode Daily problem from 10th July, crawler log folder. Okay, let's see what this problem is. Keeps a log each time some user performs a change in the folder operation. The operations, these can be the following operations on the folder. Move to the parent folder. If you're already in the main folder, remain to the same one. Uh, okay, this does nothing. And x forward slash move to the child folder. uh, Named X. Okay, child folder. Oh, inside the child folder, this folder guaranteed to always exist. Okay, so three operations that can be done. We are given logs, which is an array of strings. Okay, the file system starts in the main folder, and then the operation logs are performed. Return the minimum number of operations needed to go back to the main folder after the change is performed. Okay, so we in the input we've been given a bunch of logs, and each log can be one of these three things: move to the parent folder, remain at the same place, or move to a child folder. Child folder is guaranteed to always exist. Uh, mm, so this is an easy level question. Let's see. I'll try to run through the examples first. Can we paste here? Okay, it's okay. So let's say we start at the main folder. D1 forward slash means we have to move inside a directory. So let's say let's keep a track of how many child folders inside, like how many levels down are you. So when you move to D1 from main, you basically do +1 to like the levels that you are going inside. Then next is D2, means you're again inside a child folder. Now dot dot slash, this means you move to a parent folder, so you have to do a -1 because you move a level up. And then there is D21, again you move a level down. And dot slash means you remain at the same place, so you take a total of this. This becomes 2, so it means from the main, from the root directory, you are 2 levels inside. So how many steps will it take for you to reach the main level again? 2. Again, let's try to run this example. You move into the child folder D1, so you'll have to do +1. Then you move to D2, again +1. Then you dot slash means you stay at the same place, do nothing. D3 means again one level down. Okay, one level down. And then dot dot slash means one level up, which is -1. -1. And then D31 means again +1. So here eventually you are what, 3 levels down. It'll take you 3 steps to reach the main directory. Correct. Now there is just one edge case that we need to take care of. If you're already so wherever you go into a child folder, you do +1. Whenever you have a dot slash, you don't do anything. Whenever there's a dot dot slash, means you have to move to the parent directory, but make sure that your current directory, if it is the main directory, you don't do a -1. So I'll just maintain this thing. Int let's say directory level, what level you're on, and it is set to 0. 0 means it is at the root level. So let me do one thing. Let me define some operations, so it will become easier for us to identify what each log is doing. So string, this will be uh, parent, so this would be dot dot slash. Now there is string, cur directory. Let me name this as parent directory, and this would be dot slash. And then the other one is child, so I don't think we need to take do something for the child. So what we'll do is we'll try to iterate from the logs, and each time we'll try to see what operation this is. So if log dot equals, which is parent directory. Hmm, okay, so if it is the parent directory, what we'll do is, if my directory level not equals to 0, what I'll do is directory level minus minus, meaning I have to move a level up if I'm not currently at the root directory, root or main directory, whatever you want to call it. Otherwise, if my log operation, this is equal to my current directory, I don't have to do anything. Okay, let's see how we can. If it is equal to the parent directory, I have to move a level up. So I'll do directory minus minus. If this is the current directory, I don't have to do anything. Otherwise, I'll have to move to one level down. So let's just do if. So when will we reach here? If the log is not equal to parent directory. Now, if it is not equal to parent directory, and it is not equal to the current directory as well, this means the log is taking you to some child directory. So let's just do level plus plus. Correct. And the level that you are currently would be your answer. That many steps you'll have to move upwards. um, Yeah, so we have logs, and then if it is not equals to 0, we do the level minus minus. Otherwise, we'll have to increase it. Current directory, we don't do anything. Yeah, that's all. Let's try this. Okay, my bad. What else is there? Current directory not equals. What am I missing? Okay, cool. All right. So this third case, this takes care of doing a parent operation when you're already at the main, sorry, root directory. So this is the only edge case that is there. Otherwise, you just move one level down or one level up. There is not a lot happening here. Lowercase letters dot slash follows the format. Describe folder names consist of lowercase. Yeah, I think all is good. Perfect. So yeah, that's good. This was an easy level question. Let me see what the solution is, which is giving 0 seconds runtime. Is this faster? Is this any faster? Can we pick up something from here? So it says this is also taking uh, level, and then you do. So this is saying the first character is dot, then res. If the res the level is 0, then we leave it as 0. Okay, so I think this is dot slash something for the parent. So if we are already at the parent, we don't do anything. Otherwise, we do -1. Okay, so this says if my current character is if of a, okay, so you basically this is ignoring the zeroth character. Directly you check the so this character you check. So if this is dot, meaning this is uniquely identifying a parent directory log. Current directory won't have two dots. Their level also won't have any dots. So if the first character, this one, is a dot, means it is a parent operation. So if you're already at the main directory, we don't do anything. Otherwise, we do -1. Now, if it is not a dot, so there's two possibilities. Either it can be a forward slash, um, or it can be like something else. So then we are actually checking the 0th character, so which is this one. So it is not this case. So is it this case or not is what we're checking. So if it is dot, means it is the current directory operation. You leave it as is. Otherwise, you increase one. Um, yeah, this is also fine. Cool. So just one small thing. Yeah, here this method of declaring your constants at the top is a good coding practice. This helps you with the code maintainability. If this code was very huge, it is good to have these declared somewhere properly. If this was a multi-function class, then you declare these at the class level. Yeah, that's all. Cool. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.